Okay, this is the solo rhythm to What Would You Say. I'm going to play it along with the music. As you can see, it's pretty repetitive. It just kind of goes on and on there. And in the second half of the solo, the rhythm for that is the same as the verse that we saw, with a little bit of extra strumming and things like that in there, kind of like what I just did. But when we do the whole song play along, you'll see the whole solo in action. So you're going to be able to see the whole thing played from beginning to end in that part of the lesson. All right. The whole thing starts here with a minor 6 chord, E minor 6. And the way we approach this one is we're going to use our second finger on the 7th fret of the 5th string. First finger stretches back here to 5th fret of 4th string. Third is going to flop down here, kind of tuck it in to the 7th fret on the 3rd string, and then pinky is going to stretch out here to the 8th fret on the 2nd string. And we're only going to strum those 4 strings. The next one is an A7 chord with the root thrown out. Notice the similarity to what would be an A7 chord here. And the way we get that one is we bring our second finger over here. Here's the move. You move second to here and then third to here, which is 6th fret, 3rd string for your second finger, and 7th fret, 5th string for your 3rd finger. The first finger and pinky stay in the same place. So the move looks like this. From there we're going to hit our A chord that we are already used to by now from the verse, and then a C7, which is made by pivoting our first finger here on the 2nd fret of the 4th string, and then bringing our 2nd and 3rd to the 3rd fret on the 3rd string with your 3rd finger, and 3rd fret of the 5th string with your 2nd finger. So it looks like this. And then here, which is an octave B note. To approach that one, we slide 3rd finger up 1 fret so it's on 4th fret, and bring 1st finger over 1 string here to the 2nd fret on the 5th string. So that whole move looks like this. And then we have the fiddle. And what that is the open E string 3 times, then 3rd fret with your 2nd finger on the E string, and then pulled, and then picked once more. And then we're going to bring it up here to this octave, which is your 1st finger on the 7th fret 5th string, and 3rd finger 9th fret 3rd string. And you can see how I just kind of slid it right up like that. So when we put this whole thing together slowly, it's going to look like this. And then what you need to do is just get it up to speed, and it'll sound something like this. And there we have it, the rhythm underneath the solo. Like I said earlier, the rhythm for the second half of the solo is exactly as the same chords we saw in the intro verse and also the chorus. So put all that together and you've got the solo. Let's move along.